In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go and make money just like this by promoting affiliate offers on different networks. I'm going to show you one particular offer that you can go and promote and make money just like this using 100% free traffic. You don't have to go and invest any money if you want to go and take action on what I'm going to show you in this particular video right here. And the strategy I'm going to show you in this particular video, you can go and promote affiliate offers on networks like the Store24, Clickbank, etc, and you can go and make money from here. So you want to go and make money just like this using 100% free traffic without having to do any tedious work. All you're going to do is you're going to watch this video till the end, take action on what I'm going to show you in this particular video, and you can go and earn money just like this using 100% free traffic and zero upfront investment. All you're going to invest to go and start making money with this method is that you're going to watch the video step by step to the end. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and I'm going to show you how to go and do it for absolutely free without having to go and spend no money. And I'm going to show you step by step, straight to the point of what you can go and do and promote offers and make money just like this with 100% free traffic. All you're going to require is that you're going to require at least 30 minutes per day to go and work on this, or you can still go and work at least 10 minutes a day on this method I'm going to show you right here. So once you set up this method, you just need to work at least 10 minutes to 20 minutes a day to go and maintain this method to be getting free traffic. So be sure to watch till the end, take action on this, and as I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel, as I'm going to be posting a lot more videos just like this one. And also be sure to leave a like on this video by the end of the video if you find value in this method I'm going to show you in this video right here. So that's it. Let me show you what to go and do from here step by step. Alright guys, so be sure to pay very close attention from here, because I'm going to show you one particular offer that you can go and promote right now and make some good money. So you want to go and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank, you can come to the marketplace. There is thousands of affiliate offers that you can go and promote from here using this similar method from here and still make money for free. But what I'm going to be showing in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you a different affiliate offer that is not on Clickbank. Because if you see, for example, these offers from here, you can see, for example, Nagano Tonic, it converts very well, which means that a lot of affiliates are making a lot of money from it. But there's also a lot of competition to be able to promote this particular offer from here. So what I'm going to show you in this video, you're not going to have any competition, so you can go and easily make a lot of money from this, because people are not actually using this exact method right here to go and promote this particular affiliate offer. So let me show you guys this particular offer right here. This offer right here, you can see this offer is called the Infinity Hoop, and you can see from here, this is a hoop that is going to help people to go and lose weight. So you can see from here, this is the hoop. You can see right here, you're going to put it around your waist, and you're going to hoop around, and it's going to help people to slim their waist and help them to lose weight. So let me show you, for example, a video from here of using this Infinity Hoop right here. So if I play, for example, this video, you can see right here. So you can see from here, this is how people are using this Infinity Hoop. And the advantage about this particular product right here is that there's already a lot of people that posted a lot of testimonials using this exact Infinity Hoop from here, and you can go and promote this as an affiliate and make money. I'm going to show you how to go and sign up for the affiliate program so that you can go and start promoting this particular offer and start making money. And I'm going to show you where you can go, the platforms that you can go and get the contents, and also promote this offer right here for 100% free. And you can go and easily make money, because there's thousands of testimonials of people posting about this particular offer, and there's not a lot of people that are already promoting this offer, as I'm going to show you right here. So if you go, for example, to Google and type, for example, Infinity Hoop. So you can see from here, I've typed Infinity Hoop. You're going to come to this website. You're going to find the official website of this particular offer right here that you can go and promote. You can see from here, this is the hoop that's going to help people to slim their waist and also lose weight. And you can see they have a lot of different products from here. So once you go and get, for example, the global affiliate link to promote this particular offer, anytime that somebody buy any of these other extra offers from here, you're also going to get a percentage of that sale. So you can see from here there are different prices. For example, you can see this one $59, $29, etc. from here. So you can see from here these are a lot of other results of people that are using this. So you can see from here, these are different videos that are being posted on the internet. So let me show you, for example, testimonials of people that are using these products that is going to help you to promote this offer very easily and make a lot of money. If you go, for example, to Instagram and search, for example, Infinity Hoop, you can see they have posted a lot of testimonials on this page that they have already given these products to a lot of different influencers, and a lot of influencers have already used this product from here. You can see right here, if I scroll down, you're going to find a lot of videos that they have posted right here. If you go, for example, to TikTok as well, just type, for example, Infinity Hoop, you're going to find their main accounts from here that are promoting these products. I can see they have already paid a lot of influencers. You can see from here that are using this exact product right here. So you already have a lot of contents that you can go and use to promote this offer from here. You can see they have already done all the work for you. All you're going to do is you're going to go and grab your affiliate link. You're going to go and take their videos, and you're going to go and promote the exact same products, and you're not going to have any problem because you're promoting the exact same product that they are promoting. So you can see from here there's a lot of before and after weight loss videos of people using this particular Infinity Hoop, and they have slimmed down. So you already have all the social proof that you need to go and promote this, and it's very easy as you're going to be promoting just one product, and also you don't have a lot of competition because many people are not promoting this offer right here, as I'm going to show you right here. So there's not a lot of competition like promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank. So you can go and easily make a lot of money from here. So if I click, for example, this one, so you can see from here, these are a lot of people that are using this same Infinity Hoop, and these are all free contents that you can go and use and promote the exact product because other people are not actually using this exact method from here. So you can see from here, if you click on these links right here, it's going to take you to the Infinity Hoop product that you can go and that people can go and buy from their official website. So let me show you how to go and be an affiliate for this offer. So to go and be an affiliate for this offer, all you can do is that you can go and type, for example, on Google Infinity Hoop affiliate program, and you can see this first page from here. If you click on this become an affiliate, it's going to take you to this page from here. They can become an Infinity Hoop affiliate, and you can go and promote this product as an affiliate for 100% free, and you can go and earn a lot of money promoting this offer from here because there's literally no competition promoting this particular offer right now. So once you click on the link and go to the website to become an affiliate, all you're going to do is you're going to go and click on register. And also before you click on register, you can also go and play this video, and it's going to show you how the affiliate system works. And you can see from here, you can register to be an affiliate, and you can see how you're going to earn anytime that you're going to refer a customer to this particular offer from here. You can see you're going to earn up to 10% commission on every purchase that comes through your links. So you can see from here, you can go and find a lot more information, and that's it. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the affiliate page, and you're going to go and click on register. Once you click on register, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to input your first name, your last name, and you're also going to go and input your email from here. Once you have input this, you're going to log into your affiliate account, where it's going to give you your unique affiliate link that you can go and promote this affiliate offer right here. And that's it, guys. Once you log into your accounts, you can see from here, these are an example accounts that are affiliate accounts that I've created right here. I can see from here, once you log into your accounts, you're going to have your referral link from here, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So you're going to copy this link from here. Just click on copy, and that's it. Your link has been copied. You can go and shorten this link, for example, on Bitly or tiny URL. And you're going to also make sure to go and create a simple landing page, for example, on Linktree to link people back to this affiliate offer. So once you click on this, you can go and see, for example, your stats, your commissions that you have made. If you made any commission from here, you can click on this. You can click on your analytics, and it's going to show you how much traffic you are getting. I can see for this example, I have one visitor. So if I paste, for example, that link, so let me paste, for example, that link right here, that affiliate link. You're going to see that it's going to take people straight back to this same particular offer from here. You can see from here, it's going to take people back to this offer from here. I can see if I go back to, for example, into my affiliate account, if I refresh this, let me just click on reload. You're going to see that the visitors are going to increase. So you can see, for example, it's not reloaded yet. That is fine. That's because I am on using the same IP. So you can see from here, you're just going to go and get your affiliate link, copy this affiliate link. You're going to go and create a simple landing page, for example, on Linktree, and refer people back to your affiliate offer. So what you're going to do to go and promote this offer right here is actually very, very easy, since the content is already done for you on the internet. What you're going to do is that if you want to, we're going to go and get the videos that I've posted, for example, on Instagram and on TikTok, and you're going to download these videos. You're going to create, for example, a brand new TikTok account, a brand new Instagram account, and you're going to go and repost these same videos right here, and you're going to be inputting the link of your affiliate link, this affiliate link right here. You're going to input right here in the bio from here, and you're also going to make sure to use a landing page, for example, Linktree, to link people back from here to the Infinity Hope affiliate offer, the same like the Infinity Hope product is linking right here. So it's very simple. You're going to download the videos that I've already done for you. There's a lot of before and after weight loss videos that I've already done for you. You're going to download those videos. You're going to post on your own Instagram account. You're going to post on a TikTok account, and I also recommend that you should go and create a Pinterest account. And if you just post 4 of these videos every single day, so it's just going to take you, for example, 10 minutes to go and post these videos. You post, for example, 4 videos on Instagram, on Pinterest, and on TikTok. It's going to take you maximum of 10 minutes, and that is, you're just going to leave it. It's going to be getting views, and people are going to be going back to your affiliate offer, and you can go and make money from this very easy, because there is actually no competition of people promoting this particular offer from here. So this is something that you can go and join right now, that many people are not yet hopping on this particular product, and you can go and promote it right now and get a lot of sales, and this will be all using 100% free traffic. So what you're going to do is you're going to go, for example, right here, you're going to go to their website, to their, for example, the Instagram accounts. Click on any of the videos, get the link. You're going to go, for example, the website is called InstaSave. Go to instasave.website, click on that, paste the link from here, and you're going to download the Instagram videos very easy. If you want to download the one on TikTok, just get the link. You're going to go to website, it's called snaptic.app. You're going to go and paste the link there, and you can go and download these videos, and you can just go and repost them on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. You're going to get a lot of views, and people are going to buy these affiliate offers, because there's a lot of people that have actually used this particular product, and they already have a lot of social proof of people getting success with this particular product right here. So they have promoted this product to a lot of different influencers. So a lot of influencers have actually used this particular product, so it's going to help you to go and easily sell this particular offer right here. So it's going to convert very well, and also the offer is not very, very expensive, so you can go and easily make a lot of sales, and there's also a lot of back-end sales that you're going to get a commission when the customer buy the back-end sales. So let me show you guys another example. If you go, example, to Pinterest and type, example, Infinity Hoop, you're going to see right here the same thing. You can see from here people are promoting that offer right here, and you can see you can also go and do this on Pinterest. So this is a new offer that many people are not taking advantage of this, and this is why I wanted to show you guys, so you can go and take advantage of this particular product from here and use it and promote your own affiliate offers and make some money, and it's all 100% free. So if you want to make money on Clickbank, you can go and try this method from here, because right now it has zero competition. So you can go and start as soon as today, after finishing this video. Go and take action on this method, because people are doing it and they're already making money from this. So you can see from here, if I go, for example, down, you're going to find other related videos right here. So that's, guys, to don't miss out on this opportunity and go and use this product right here and make good money. As you can see from here, people are doing the same exact thing, and they're promoting this offer, and they are making money right here. So let me show you guys, for example, another example from here. If I click, for example, any of this one from here, you can see these ones are going to Amazon. So let me click, for example, on this one. You're going to say this is an affiliate that's promoting this offer right here. Also on Pinterest, you can see from here that I've just posted a link. If I click on that link, it's taking me straight back to the Infinity Hope product right there on their website, and that is using an affiliate link. If you click on most of these links from here, you're going to see these are also new affiliates that are promoting this offer, and they're already getting a lot of sales from here because they don't have any competition at all. So I click example on this one, you can see it's going to take me straight back to the Infinity Hope of official website, and this is through an affiliate link. So that's it. If you found value in this video right here, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos just like this one with free and paid traffic methods. So that's it. Take action, and I'm going to see you in the next video.